It's hair dyeing day. About every 3 or 4 months, I would say, I bleach my roots and dye my hair. This is a bad one. I feel like it's been like 5 months. I've been kind of trying to not bleach my hair too much because I'm getting married soon. So I've been trying to wait it out a little bit, but it is time. Luckily, I don't really look at the back of my head. It's none of my business. I don't really care. But for those that are interested, usually I just do a little bleach dye right up here and that's it. Today, I think we need to revamp everything because there's just so much, ooh. Yeah, let's get to it. Welcome to my salon. She's not that cute, but she's completely free to me, except for all these products, but oh goodness. I've just never even debated on someone else coloring my hair. I mean, not purple. Purple's easy. Everyone can do this. Bleach. You have to just listen to the instructions of whatever bleach you have, but mine is 1 scoop ratio to 2 scoops of bleach. So that's what we're gonna do. I like to use 30 because I'm a little reckless. My hair is so dark and pretty durable in my humble opinion. So I feel like I can pack this shit on. Here's what your potion's looking. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. The fun thing about bleaching your hair is everyone, oh god, oh god, oh god. Everyone would think like you're gonna ruin everything. It's bleach. It's literally a cleaning solution. You're cleaning typically your surroundings. Now you're ruining your clothes. So these are my bleach clothes after the years. There's bleach everywhere. Anyways, now that the floor is clean, get back to mixing. I like to mix only a little bit at a time because I think, by the way, I'm not a hairstylist, never been to cosmetology school. I've just been doing this for 8 years, so this is what I've picked up. I don't know the science, but I think it goes bad after a little bit. Like I feel like if you use the same batch for your whole head, then usually the parts you did last are a lot more yellow. So I like to do it like half and half. So I'll put half on, then make another little batch and do the rest of my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna tie half up so we don't mess with that for now. I've also done this a few times on my channel and it's probably different every time because I've been doing it for so long. So this is the latest and greatest. Take the bleach and stick it on your head. It's seriously this easy. Everyone says like don't overlap, whatever. Well, if your hair is purple, who cares? I used to get someone to do the back. Not really a priority anymore. I don't care what the back looks like. I know that now that you've seen the back, you're thinking you should do the back. Okay, I'll do the back. It's not the main goal. And if I really focus on it, my arms will hurt too much. All right, let's do it. Woo, it burns. All right. We got a lot going on here. That took about 20 minutes. You want to move pretty quickly because bleach oxidizes, forms, transforms something. It moves quick, so you want to go fast so that it's all on your head at the same time. Like if you were to go to a salon, a lot of times they rinse out some pieces that they did earlier so everything's on at the same time. That is way too hard to do by yourself. So I just move really quick. And then some things are on a little longer, but it kind of all evens out in the end. So I'm gonna let this sit for maybe 10-15 more minutes. You can already see a lot of it's already yellow, and then some things I just put this on, so that's still working its way. Then I'll rinse it out and we'll see what it looks like. Look what we've got here. So nice yellowy roots. I know you think this looks crazy. Honestly, I think it looks very cool. But it's really good that it's this yellow. One of my friends who's a hairstylist told me you want banana yellow for just like toning, to have it tone in a nice way. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I feel like I used to bleach it twice, and that is helpful for going in and fixing things. Like a lot of times there's still like dark pieces, like, ooh. Don't look too close. So it's easy to touch up, but nowadays I really don't want to be that harsh to my hair. So just leaving it on a little long for only once looks pretty good. Now let's get dyeing. I'm telling myself that was the hard part and this is the easy part, so I can just get less nervous about the whole thing. I don't usually wear gloves for bleach because it's just annoying, and I never have that many gloves around. I try to use them scarcely, but you really need to use gloves for purple hair dye or any hair dye with a color because it's gonna get everywhere. have a paper towel out. We have got quite the assortment of dyes today that we're gonna combine. So my OG, the stuff that I love to wear, is Pravana Vivids. It's so good, but it's discontinued. It's been discontinued since I started using it like 5 or 6 years ago, and I've just been buying it off of eBay. But it's getting hard. They're really like going away from society. So I'm gonna use the little bit that I have left of that, and then some Arctic Fox. I know everyone uses these and they're fine, but honestly the Pravana just doesn't wash out as much. I feel like they used to use it at salons, so I just liked it. Sorry, it's midday now, the light's coming in. All right, let's see how much we can get out of the Pravana. This is what I have left of her. A new one is coming, but it's just gonna be a few weeks because you can't get them from like a normal retailer. I also love the way my hair is so light purple after I shower. So when I wash the bleach out, I use hot water, which I never get to do. Because a good tip for keeping your hair color is wash it with cold water. So that's what I do every time. But when I do bleach, I don't really care about the hair color because I'm about to dye it. So it washes it out a little bit, but I think it looks so nice. But it's hard to keep that like lavender color up for a while. So I might try to do that, not go too dark today, but I feel like it's better to start out dark and let it wash out a little. That is all I could get out of Pravana. It's actually not bad because then you mix it with conditioner, white conditioner. You kind of just have to find the balance of whatever you're using because if you use too much, then it really dilutes it and it won't stick in your hair as well. I feel like Pravana can take a lot. It's so good. Sorry, this window has a lot of light. It's midday now. This takes a process to do this. This is all the fun I'm having right now. Gorgeous. See, I love this color. Maybe I should just try to do this. It's beautiful. I think it's too much conditioner. I really want it to stick. It's like I'm a little scientist in here. Can I add some Violet Dreams? That's a little too pinky. Going to Purple AF. This is just turning out so beautiful. Oh, don't come on the camera. I think I'll do the roots just to make sure that I'm getting everything with a brush. Oh yeah, we're back. Oh shit. While I am not a perfectionist, it is still good to clean things off of your forehead because it will really be there for a long time. Oh, I love this. All right, let's get to it. This is how I check the back, by the way. Oh yeah, there's a lot of yellow back there. I'm not great at this. It's like you have to be good at physics to know where your hand is going in a mirror. I think this is getting easier because I've been working on my arms. To get ready for the wedding, I've been doing arm workouts every single day. I only lift a 3-pound weight, but I do like 50 reps on each arm of like almost 10 different exercises. It only takes like 20 minutes, but I'm already feeling stronger, and that's really nice. Look at that hair. Oh, it's vibrant out here. Just finished. I did the roots with the brush, and then I took my hands and just basically did all of the strands just to make sure the whole head's coated. Now I gotta clean myself up a little bit. Wait about 20 minutes and then I'll rinse it out. We're almost there. We made it. It's super dark, but I think that's good. It's always gonna wash out a little bit, especially in the first few washes. And then we've got some of this going up here. Put a little lotion. Honestly, I've heard that putting Vaseline on helps a lot when you put it on. I've just never taken the time to buy Vaseline, but one day. I'm thrilled. It's so good to have my roots be purple again. Thanks for watching. If you have any tips, anything I did crazy wrong, I'd love to hear it. Please comment. Or if you just have any questions, I'm here in the comments. Thanks guys. Stay tuned for Illegal Activity.